So good day guys. Today I am going to show on how to use FL's condition and wait steps inside Zapify.io workflows. So inside our workflow, click the plus button and then search for if else statement. So we can set our condition name here, our scenario recipe like last appointment at contact the workflow. So we are going to use this one. So from here, we can set our condition. So workflow contact is active. Then let's select the action. So like this one. And then if you once you are satisfied uh, with the condition, now save this action. And that's it.